Never throw the garlic and onion peel again. If you are one of those who discard them, from today you will stop doing it, since I will tell you something very important that I am sure you have not heard anywhere else. I was recently cooking at home, and I have a good amount of garlic and onion peels that I have been saving to show you something surprising. Before continuing, let me know from what country you are watching me to send you a special greeting in my next videos. I'm going to separate the garlic and onion peels in a container. The next thing is to take the peels to the oven at 200 degrees C for 7 minutes. After that time, you will notice that the peels acquire a crunchy texture that breaks easily in the hands. It is not necessary to wash them later, since the heat eliminates any bacteria that may remain in the peels. Once at this point, we will transfer the garlic and onion peels to a blender and add 250 grams of cooking salt, either coarse or ground. If you have come this far, take the opportunity to let me know some trick or tip that you would like us to do on the channel. I always review your suggestions. Once everything is mixed, you will notice that it acquires a texture similar to fine flour. If the blender has difficulties grinding it, you can help it by shaking it or using a spoon, but be careful not to hit the propeller. Then you just have to take the mixture out and store it in a container. Your kitchen will smell delicious, and this mixture is full of beneficial nutrients for your whole family. What we have prepared is an exquisite seasoning that will give a delicious flavor to your meals. If one day you realize that you ran out of seasoning, you will not feel in a hurry, since this economic alternative will serve as a backup. Before, it bothered me a lot when I ran out of garlic or onion just when I had to cook, but now I have a quick solution. You can season meat, beans, rice, noodles, and any other food without any problem. Try this mixture on your dishes, and then come back here to tell me how they turned out. If you enjoyed this advice and want to receive more similar videos, leave me a comment asking for more advice, so I'll know if I'm doing a good job. Today's greeting is for Blanca Monti from Argentina and Rufi Garces from the United States. Thank you for joining us until the end of the video. I say goodbye, wishing you the richest blessings. You